Hi, today you will learn how to create this stunning and creepy artwork using Photoshop. Okay, that was probably too much. It all started with this image by Cherry Jean. And if you wonder how I came up with that idea, well, I have a recording from that horrible day. Oh yeah, I look good today. The first step is to import the image. Voila! Make it bigger. And now before we start doing any edits at all, we need to go to filter and choose camera raw filter to change the colors. And here first for a full look, I created a custom lighting by playing with highlights, shadows and contrast. And also the tint went a little bit to the left to make it greenish. And now, my dear friends, the question is, what is the color of creepiness? This will help us to determine what colors we need to choose for our artwork. And today in the show we have two special guests that will help us to answer these questions. Farid, ladies and gentlemen,
what's up?
and Friedrich. The question is, what is the color of creepiness?
Well, obviously it's red.
And this is wrong, unfortunately.
What did you just say? Did you just call me stupid? Did you just call me stupid?
No!
I will eat you for breakfast.
Okay, Friedrich, now all the hopes are on you.
Red,
Nope.
blue,
No.
violet,
No.
green.
No. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That is right.
Wow.
Wow. It took you just 7,000 tries. Good job. Good job. Hey, let's go. Just go back to the tutorial. Then we go to HSL adjustments and start playing with colors. For example, reds, left, right. Wait. Why are you not doing anything? Orange, left, right. Okay, at least the skin color is changing now. And now, of course, you would think that if you want to add the green color here, we would go to the green color and bring it to the maximum. But no, my dear friends, we will play with yellows. So we will just make the yellows greener. Ba-bam! Okay, I lied. We also made the green screen. As you can see, we didn't even touch all the rest. Now the problem is, this is too bright. This looks too happy to me. So I'll just bring the vibrance a little bit down. Good. Now it looks like a dual green and exactly represents your morning. Boring and creepy, and also we can clearly see that you didn't sleep enough. Next step is to cut the face in half so we can actually separate the left and right parts. Let's select the rectangular marquee tool, select the half of the face, create a mask, and boom! Now we can just bring it to the left. Yeah, and also rotate it a little bit. The same goes to the right part, again selected. Voila! As you can see now, this is rotated, this is also rotated, and here we have a middle head. You can see that there's something wrong, but that's totally fine. And now, guess what we're gonna do? Okay, I give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Going to delete the head. Woohoo! Yeah, look at that. I'm using the healing brush tool just in case you didn't know. Look at that, what a party! Yeah, and don't forget to bring back the left and the right parts because they were on the separate layers. So now, my dear friends, what do all monsters have in common? Big eyes. Let's go to filter and liquify. And now by using this tool actually here, we can make everything bigger. For example, if I click here, boom, bigger. No, not smaller, bigger. Yeah, bigger. Now let's select the first tool and just start dragging. Look at that. Well, yeah, so I'll just fast forward. Okay, I'm tired. So now when we have done that to the left part, we also need to do it to the right part because they're separate images. So again, go to filter and liquify. So just select the beautiful big eye and boom, click Ctrl or Command plus J in order to put it on a new layer, just like here. As you can see now we have an eye here. I know it looks like empty, but it's not. Okay, just trust me. And yeah, as you can see, I put it up. Yeah, actually, we also need to delete this image. I kind of forgot to tell you. I here, not the whole image, of course, because we don't want to have 3 eyes, you know. If the other eye is going to be up here, then this needs to go. And now we just show this eye here. And it looks like a beautiful monster. I mean, it's not beautiful, but in terms of monsters, it's pretty beautiful.
Oh my god, I found it. I finally found it. It's an ancient technique called Rasengan. I mean outer glow.
So just create a new empty layer, choose our brush tool with white color and start coloring. Make sure we click right button here and convert this to a smart object. Click double here on the empty space and then we will open this layer styles, go to outer glow. Voila! as you can see now it's shining. Yeah, and of course do it to the second eye as well. I mean, you can just copy this from here. So as you can see now, we create a new layer and we turn off everything except the head. So let's just go here and choose our smudge tool. Make sure you have all of these parameters like that, and let's just click and drag it. And I know, by the way, you see this type of brush, because yours is probably a circle because you're a loser. Yeah, okay, that was a bad joke. Just go to window and brush settings and find this type of brush. Go here and click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. And now, my dear friends, when we have turned this beautiful head into a beautiful monster head, we need to select all of the layers that contain this stuff. Click right button and choose convert to smart object. And now as you can see, it's one whole, not a whole, but I mean not like not with H, but with anyway. I will just write the text on the screen. Yeah, so I'll just select this, go to filter and blur and motion blur. Oh, I just wanted to turn on everything. Yeah, so it's basically upside, as you can see, create a motion blur. Have I already told you how good I'm at explaining stuff? And yeah, as you can see, we can choose the angle here, we can choose the strength here. 21 should be fine, and look at that. Okay, if you wonder what I was doing right now, I actually kissed my screen. That's why you heard mwah. We need to take the quick selection tool and start clicking. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm so horrible at doing this. I hate the small holes that you also need to take out of the selection. This is so painful. Smash the like button if you know what I'm talking about. We need to create a copy of this layer here, so we can actually then create a mask for it. And let's now go here, click right button and choose convert to smart object. So now they're all together one. Yeah, now I'll just select a new empty layer. As you can see, voila. Take again our beautifully smudge tool. Come on, what are you doing? Take the smudge tool. No! Yeah, and we can just click and drag it. Click and drag it. Why are you canceling it? Just do it. Now let's select her body. Let's go to filter and motion blur. Voila. Click that with OK button. Okay. Now let's go here, click right button and choose the circle tool, because you're going to have the rectangle but we need the circle. Okay. And let's just click it and select it. And I mean create the circle. As you can see, we don't see it because it's located behind the head. Don't forget to convert it into smart object as well, because yeah, you guessed it right, we're gonna apply some smart filters to it as well. Most likely motion blur. Really? Okay, Gaussian blur, finally. So as you can see, this makes just everything really blurry, and the circle as well. And now we're gonna use some dark magic. We're gonna go and here and choose outer glow. Yeah, and I don't know why I call this dark magic, because maybe I just wanted to make it sound more exciting as it is. Okay, next step is very dangerous. Okay. Okay guys, don't try this at home. And I'll just take everything and bring it up. Okay, let's select the beautiful head, go to filter and go to liquify again. Already how much short time during this tutorial? You're probably thinking I don't know any other tools. Of course I do. So as you can see, I selected the first one. Now we can just click and drag and click and drag. Come on, faster, why are you so slow? Okay, so finally after this time, as you can see, the whole head is in motion blur, but this part is not. You know why? Because they think that they're too cool to join the rest. You know how you have all the normal kids and then some cool kids that just are separated and they're like, yeah, we just gonna do whatever we want, so fuck you. Well, fuck them, because what we're gonna do actually, we're gonna go here and we're gonna take this liquify and bring it down. And when we change their position, as you can see, motion blurs and liquify, now liquify is also blurred with motion blur because we changed their position. Who is now the king? Who is now the cool kids, huh? Yeah, now let's just create empty layer and just draw some white lines. Boom, 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 boom. Give them some motion blur again. As you can see, voila, some Gaussian blur and also some outer glow. Yeah, that's the only thing that we do during this tutorial. Okay, so now what happened here, what I actually didn't record, unfortunately, I selected these windows here. So now we have here a layer only with this left and right windows. Here we have them, boom, boom. So now if we go to this layer and then if we just click double on it, bam, bam, and we open the layer styles, what we can actually do. This time it's really magic. We see here channels RGB. If we turn off one of the channels, bam, bam, nothing happens, right? Well, wait for it. Let's go to the selection tool, let's click on our windows and let's drag them, boom, boom. Look what's happening. We get here these crazy glitchy colors. Wow! And yeah, I also forgot to tell you, as you can see here, I also draw with white color on the eyes, and I think you can do it by yourself too. I mean, I don't need to show you everything. Come on, be a man. Or very strong girl, you know. Okay, I should probably just shut up. So yeah, as you can see, we're just bringing it to the left, and voila! angel singing. And just like always, I would like to remind you that... Hello?
If you go to learnfromfred.com, you can access tons of premium classes and create many amazing tutorials that you have never even thought you will be able to create. And all for free for the whole month.
What if I don't?
I will delete your Photoshop.
Okay, of course, sure. And that was it. I will go back to where I came from, to Narnia. I will be back. I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm sure I can't fly. Oh, wait, maybe I can fly. I mean, I never tried. Let me jump from the building. Maybe I can fly.